Hi, it's good to see you guys again. Greetings from Bali, Indonesia. It's me Nirmala Trisna on MC Bali channel. I have been a professional MC since mid-90s. I obtained vocal and public speaking training when I was accepted as a radio DJ in one of our radio stations in Bali, and also trained in the government protocol when I was in college in the mid-90s as well. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to MC Bali channel, and if you have, thank you very much. Hit the bell to ensure you don't miss any new video uploads. I'm going to share with you my script reference, and I'm going to present it to you so you can have a reference on how to create sentences or what to say during a program. And this reference is a business conference, and I hope that can give a perspective to you or ideas when you are assigned to be an MC for a business conference. Okay, so first of all, before the program officially starts, usually the MC need to do a voiceover off the stage to announce several important housekeeping announcements or any other announcements that the audience need to know before the program starts. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to start. Please take your seats. This event will be conducted in English. For those who require translation, we provide simultaneous interpretation system. And we also must announce that announcement in other language as well if this event is bilingual, especially if you are announcing that there is an interpretation service. Next is starting on stage. Good morning, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Selamat pagi, Bapak, Ibu, para undangan yang berbahagia. Selamat datang. Welcome to Bali Confluence, one of its kind partners meet of ABC Company. I'm Nirmala Trisna. I feel very honored to be the host for today, and I'm also very excited to be along with you here at this ballroom. It is such a great opportunity for us all to interact and network with peers and colleagues across the fashion and textile value chain. Okay, so this is still part of the opening. Thank you for being able to be here in the middle of your busy schedule, spending a weekend away from your family. I'm sure it's pretty hard to reject an invitation to meet in Bali, isn't it? In one of the world's best islands, the leading tourist destination in Indonesia. This island is the perfect place to mix business with leisure. Ladies and gentlemen, believe me, today is going to be a fruitful day. However, before we start, allow me to remind you to put your mobile phones and your other gadgets into silent mode. In addition to that, this venue would like to announce few important notes on safety that will be presented by Ibu Dewi. So here comes the safety announcement by the venue, on stage by the person in charge. Now let's start to announce the first speech. Let me now introduce you to our first presenter of the day, who has been named as Outstanding Leader at the prestigious ABC Awards for Excellence. He has a deep connection with Indonesia and is a member of Indonesia-India CEO Forum and the ASEAN-India Economic Forum. Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite to the stage Business Director and Managing Director of ABC Limited. Usually, I will mention or I will call the name after mentioning the title of that person. So the hype is there, the title, and then the name, and then we invite the audience to clap their hands, welcoming that person to the stage. We can recap or give a few recap sentence about what the speech is about. So consult with the client on what to say or what not to say after speech by presenters on stage. In this case, the client would like me to say a few words, important notes on the speech, so the flow is there from the first presenter to the next. Thank you for the speech. I'm fascinated with your thoughts on the global fashion industry and Indonesia's standing on the same. We all agree, understand, and realize the challenges ahead. Let's move on to the next session. To embark the interesting journey, we all need to get motivated to adapt and transform ourselves. For that purpose, ABC Company invites a world-renowned speaker all the way from India. Let me give a brief introduction about him. He's an avid blogger, and with 18 plus years of experience, he has inspired more than 750,000 individuals in more than 1,300 events across the world. Please give a round of applause to welcome Mr. Akash Gautam. So that was the introduction to a motivational speaker, and that is a real person. If Akash is watching this video, hi. So after that session, the MC comes up on stage again, thanking the presenter. And in this case, the speaker or that presenter will be presented with a token of appreciation by the host. Akash, thank you for the engaging session. We all enjoy it very much. Now, we would like to request you to please remain on stage. I also would like to invite the President and Global Sales Head of ABC Company to present token of appreciation. And it depends on the flow of what's happening on stage. We can informally comment on what's happening and also request the official photographer to capture that moment on stage. So now, after everyone is off the stage, I'm going to present, or I'm going to announce that the next program is lunch. But I will connect with the points that Akash or the previous presenter mentioned, leading to the next program. Here is what I said. You will agree with me that happiness is the root of success. We must find ways to spark our happiness. And one way is to not be hungry, because there will be hangry session. Therefore, I'm really happy to tell you now is lunchtime. The buffet lunch is served at the restaurant at the first floor. Please be reminded to convene here for the second half of the session that will start at 2 p.m. Enjoy your lunch. See you later. And then we do voiceover when people start to come. Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. We will start our next session in 5 minutes. Depends on the flow of the presenter. The MC can come to the center of the stage, or we can only stand on the side stage to thank the first presenter and introduce the next one. Moving on to the next presenter, talking about innovation. Please welcome President and Director of Indo ABC. Thank you for the insightful presentation on the company's product innovation. The performance of any business is directly dependent on strong partnerships. To present this most important strategic pillar, I now would like to call upon President and Global Sales Head of ABC Company. Thank you for taking us through the endeavor and plans for the Indonesian market. Before we finally close this event, we are going to have a group photo opportunity, but please be seated now until we finish setting up the stage. So while the event team is preparing the chairs for the group photo opportunity, we can announce several information on what is going to happen in the evening or the next day, or any kind of additional information. While we wait, allow me to remind you that we are requesting your presence tonight at the gala dinner here at the same place starting at 7 p.m. It will be awesome to carry on our networking in a more relaxed event. There will be live music, entertainment, and activities featuring the local culture of Bali. And when you leave this ballroom, please join us all for afternoon coffee break at Untitled, where refreshments are served. At this place, we are also displaying the mock studio, presenting the fabric and garment innovations being planned for the Indonesia market. And here is the part where MC should be creative to check on what's happening on stage and what to say or how to interact with the audience. So we let the event team prepare, but we also keep the audience engaged with the things that important to the next agenda, but also not to be like keep repeating the same things and being repetitive or being not attractive to lead that gap time. So once we check everything is ready, we can announce to the audience that they are requested to stand up and proceed to the stage. Now we would like to take this opportunity to have everyone to please stand up, assemble on the stage and also in front of the stage for a group photo. Our photographer will be at the other end of this hall taking photo of us all. So after the photographer cues that he's done with all the clicking or taking all the photos, we can ask everyone on the stage, or we can appreciate everyone on the stage and request them to clap their hands, appreciate them all. And then we can close the session. Finally, see you tonight at the gala dinner here at 7 p.m. Thank you very much. See you tonight. Okay, so that is all the content for this topic on how to lead session or how to lead agenda in a business conference. I hope that can be a reference for you. My tips is to keep on developing your ways to say certain things, to find ways to express a statement. And I found it very interesting to check on thesaurus on how or what other words to replace a regular word that we usually say. Type the sentence and then read them out loud, because sometimes it sounds different when we say a certain sentence, and we can fix it to make it more smooth and more fit to our style, or we can adjust it to fit in our personality. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or if you have any feedback for me. I hope you like what I presented. If you like it, click the like button and also share it to your friends or your colleagues who might find this content useful. I'm Nirmala Trisna, signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you.